Alrighty guys, so we are on the last job of the day. Unfortunately, the other job we were at, we couldn't film anything there. But here, so we have a vacant house here. So we're going to be doing this outdoor area here, as well as an outdoor area in back. Let me show you guys what's going on here. The rest of it is tile. We were gonna do the carpets, but they ended up just putting new carpets in here because they wanted to change up the color. So these are all the tiles we're gonna be doing here. We got just this foyer, we got a kitchen, we got a bathroom. Overall, it is pretty dirty. It's hard to tell on camera, but there's kind of a clean piece, and well, there's a dirty piece. So it is actually a lot dirtier than it kind of looks on camera. Now back here, we have this back patio area here, which is kind of just full of paint everywhere. So he wanted us to clean this up as well. I did a little test spot just to see, and I think you can see exactly where the test spot is. It was right here. And yeah, this is gonna turn out great actually. So we're gonna do this, all that tile, and I think it's gonna turn out really good for him. So this will be the last job of the day. We'll see how she turns out. We're gonna start by just using some code red, I think, on this, and see what happens. Let's do it. I'll be bringing in all the hoses. Already got the CRB in here, hose by myself. I'm on this job today myself, so I don't mind working by myself, honestly, so it's not that huge of a deal. All right, so we got everything all set up out there. We got the hose in. Already laid some, we've used 10 below, Sager's 10 below on this out here. A little less aggressive than the code red. It's been sitting for about 5 minutes or so, so we're gonna go ahead, scrub this in. Start back here first. See how well this paint comes off here. Yeah, coming off slowly here. Hand brush to a few of these paint spots that are pretty thick, but I guess the painter went to town out here. All right, so we got the stuff spread down over here. Can't really even see it, but yep, it's spread down over there and here. This turned out really nice, look at that. Much better, he's gonna be really happy with that one. So we're just gonna let this dry here, make sure that we got everything good, and this room is done. All right, I'm getting it now. Oh, it's turning out real good, wow. Gonna complain about that. This is dirty, that's for sure. All right, let me put you guys down and do the rest of this.
12 seconds later.
There's your difference right there. We got her all rinsed on that side. So all we got to do left is this main area right here. The front patio kind of area there, which is the same stuff that I showed you guys before. That kind of stuff right there. And then we'll be out of here. And this is the last job of the day. So happy about that. So we're on our last piece here. So we just got this kind of outdoor patio here. He just wants it cleaned up, so it's not gonna be perfect. There's quite a bit of paint everywhere, but a lot of it's been coming off. So let's hit it. It is hot out here today, ladies and gentlemen. So we are done. I'm gonna put all of this stuff away. It's turned out really good. There we go, a lot of dirt came out of here for sure. So I'll put this stuff away back in the truck, and then I will show you guys what the inside looks like. All right, let's see what it looks like in here. Oh, my towel's way over there. Ugh, I don't want to step on the floor, but I'll have to wipe it up. Oh no. Oh no. Okay, All right, so here's what it looks like in here. Way brighter, I'll tell you that. So it turned out really, really nice, actually. Yep, I'll be pretty happy with this. You saw the grout is one color. It's still a little bit wet in here, but over here you can see how bright those grout lines are now. It's really good back here. This from here turned out pretty good, like I showed you before. You're really happy. So this house should be, I believe, for sale pretty soon. Probably by the time you're watching this video, it is already for sale. So if you guys are interested, leave a comment in this video. I can send you the information to this house here in Port Richey, Florida, if y'all happen to be interested. And I think that's gonna do it for now. Got the van all wrapped up. Just gonna work on the invoice, and then that's gonna be it for today. I'll try to keep up with the videos, guys. It's really hard when we're busy, and I'm kind of the only one filming and working and everything else. So as usual, guys, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit that like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel. I really appreciate all the new subscribers that we have. It's awesome you guys are keeping up and watching the content. Check out our Facebook, our Instagram, our other social media accounts, like our website at www.steamhouseinc.com. And as usual, we will see all you guys on the next video. Peace.